This property has a single remote control garage, artificial lawn, and very, very low maintenance. It's the front unit of a block of 3. As we enter into the townhouse, the master bedroom is located downstairs with split system air conditioning and heating, carpeted. All the walls throughout have been freshly painted. Walk in to a walk-in robe and the ensuite. With basin and shower. Also downstairs is a separate study area that faces street frontage, tiled, lots of natural light and in-air connection. Also downstairs is a separate powder room with basin and toilet, and just beside is the laundry. It's not very large, but there is enough room there for the washing machine. It's got cupboards and troughs. Enough room to mount a dryer if required. The downstairs area has a breakfast bar, double sink, fridge space, walk-in pantry, lots of shelving, plenty of cupboards, tiled splashback, full burner stove, dishwasher, and open plan living here with split system heating and conditioning, and enough room here for a dining table and a lounge area. Double doors lead out to the rear yard, again with artificial lawn. And direct access from the garage. As we go upstairs, there is a secondary open plan living here. Enough room for a couch or a separate study. As well as some cover space. The first upstairs bedroom facing the street, split system, heating and air conditioning. The second bedroom upstairs is much the same. Facing the street, split system heating and air conditioning. The upstairs bathroom has a separate shower, separate bath, very bright. And just beside the bathroom is the separate toilet. Thank you for watching the virtual tour of 1 at 14 Allen Avenue in Keilor East. If you have any questions regarding this property, please give me a call.
Have a great day.